One of our best sellers in London, one-bedroom apartment near Excel in London provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi, 6.6 kilometers from Olympic Stadium and 6.9 kilometers from O2 Arena. Guests staying at this apartment can use the patio. The apartment features one bedroom, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels and a fully equipped kitchen that provides guests with an oven. The apartment also has a bathroom with a shower. A vegetarian breakfast is served at the property. The reception can provide advice on the area in order to help guests plan their day. Guests can also relax in the shared lounge area. Victoria Park is 8 kilometers from the apartment, while Greenwich Park is 8 kilometers from the property. The nearest airport is London City Airport, 2.9 kilometers from the property. Newham is a great choice for travelers interested in entertainment, tourist attractions and monuments. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.